Hi friends, welcome back to Raksha and Rhia World. This is Raksha and today we're doing a science experiment about inertia. Let's get started. Newton's laws of motion. 3 statements describing the relations between the forces acting on a body and its motion were first formulated by an English physicist and a mathematician, Sir Isaac Newton. They are the foundation of classical mechanics. Newton's first law of motion. Newton's first law states that every object will remain at rest or in uniform until and unless there is a state of action or an external force. This tendency to resist changes in a state of motion is called as inertia. Now let's see what inertia is. Inertia is the body's tendency to resist a change in motion or at rest. When a vehicle stops, you tend to jerk forward before coming to a complete stop. In the same way, you will jerk backwards when the car begins to move. Now let's see the experiment. Let us see the materials required. The materials required are a glass of water, a coin, and a piece of cardboard. Let us now do the experiment. Step 1. Place the cardboard on top of the glass and place the coin. Now, when you pull it with a certain amount of force, the coin does not drop down and goes inside the glass. Let's try it. And now, let's see the science behind how it went inside and did not fall out. The coin has inertia, meaning it wants to stay in one place. Suppose you move the card slowly, it doesn't need to be faster to overcome that force. If you flick it quickly, the coin stays in one place and then drops inside the cup. An object at rest will remain at rest. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like and share and give a big thumbs up. Thank you.